light knee massager. You can also use this on your arms or on your calf or all kinds of different areas. This is how it straps on right here. You can actually walk around with this thing if you wanted to, but basically this vibrates. It also has infrared and red light therapy. I just put it on all for the lights, just all the light that just kind of goes in there, which is supposed to help. It feels good. The heating feels good as well. The vibration also feels well. You can push the button here and you can control, you see that's turning the amount of vibration. So I could turn this all the way up to 5, it's the most. If I hit this button here, I could turn the heat up and down, so all the way up. And then I can basically hit this button here, and that's gonna go between the different lights. So you see your white and your red light. If you just put it on all, it just turns everything on. Now, if I take this off, I think it's fine. You'll see that the lights are on. You see that light, I probably don't wanna look into it, but that is the light. To put it on is very simple. You just do this, and you can walk around with it. It does feel really good on your knee. It's kind of like a knee massage. You know, not right away, but after about 5 to 10 minutes, it heats your knee up, and then the vibrations, and I guess that light, I'm not sure, it's really hard to say that that does anything, but I think that all together just makes your knee feel awesome. So this is the red light knee massager, although you can use it on your arms and on your calf, and you don't have to use it on your knee. But yeah, it's awesome. Nice big old display. To get power into it, you use a USB-C right here, and there's no wires or anything, right? So you could simply just walk around with this thing. So very comfortable. I like it. Check it out. Turn it off, hold it in, and it's off. Boom.